Lobo.
You ain't your shit today, huh? You ain't your shit today.
Now it look like a real show.
This nigga, kill me a motherfucking Lobo!
Let me hear some motherfucking noise! Lobo. So look. Look. I'ma count to 3. When I count to 3, I want everybody to jump on their feet at the same time. At the same time.
Come on, bro.
1, 2, 3, let's do it! Bitch, you know that's so far. You just a white little Perry. I keep them girls like a fairy. I keep them like a cherry. All of them niggas they know. All of them niggas they know. 1, 2, 3, let's do it!
You ain't know, now you know, nigga. I take part 4, nigga.
Hey, Johnny John, put some shit on the back end. 20 twins, and that kick pluck like a shit. 1, 2, 3. That's what we really went that advertisement for shit. I got seats, got they hoes. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Bustin' in the whip, I don't even smoke, but we drop. Plus and let it rip. Pull up if it's smoke. Get the big rocks up in my ear. Can you hear? Can you hear? Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? Who want the Yeah! Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? Who want the who? What the who? What the I'm straight again. I'm straight again. Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to ice on my neck, cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga that can bleed. I just took a deal and I spent like 10 G's. I just did the show, I spent the check on my mama. When I go on vacay, I might run up to Bahamas. And I keep my telephone. Really never stay up out the streets if you can't take the heat. Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota, cold like Minnesota. You need to stay up on the streets if you can't take the heat. You need to stay up on the streets if you can't take the heat. Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Riding around the Light that shit the fuck up, Dallas. Now go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Sing that shit! I know you want this for taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no. I just want you for the night.
Frown. Applaud. Good. Now that you understand the rules, let's begin.
Don't get down on my name. Don't let them run off with the name. Man, I just run with the game. Hey, good. They talking down on the game. They wanna rap with the name, but this ain't no regular name. They tryna run with the name. What? I'm in love with 3K. What? I do not fuck with no claim. Them was not flexing the same. I'm done with adjusting the fame. But look when you said niggas stay. I tell them don't fuck with the game. I tell them don't fuck with the game. It's time to fuck out the whole game. Eyes in the stars, tell that bitch come get your eyes. Fucking with me, you gon' blind. Losing their mind, kids and friends, shit and blind. Missing my bitch, they gon' fly. Born in the dark, can't hear you open my blind. Oh yeah! Running the man and we kids and still just on the beat. A bunch of shit from a long time ago. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Like dominoes, niggas. When it's my time, they go out of your dominoes. I don't know the meaning, can't know what either. That's all these people you know. Finish highs and lows. Let's go! Get the cool living shit, I suppose. I'm on my living low, down below. Ain't talking about spending no buying clothes. I'm on my business, but I'm alone. What the fuck? Let's go! This is the ghost shit. Did I take a pussy? Closer. Run a ghost shit. Roller coaster. What? I got money, man.
I'ma buy your bitch, I'ma buy your bitch. I'ma catch the shit, I'ma catch the shit. Cash time, bitch, cash card, bitch. You can have the shit, you can have the shit.
Doing it for years, ayy. Yeah, I rock the rap, yeah, I bought the race, yeah, I'm out of state, yeah, I lick the race, yeah, I wake the black, yeah, I'm out of shape, yeah, I'm eating grapes, yeah, I'm sipping wine, yeah, she feed me grapes, ayy, she.
Texas, make some noise.
From the looks of it, this about to be a wild fucking show tonight. Ladies, rockstar levels only, rockstar levels only. Make some noise if you came to Mosh today. Shout outs to everybody in the fucking Mosh pit. How y'all doing back there, up there? How y'all doing? Mama called me, Papa's on me as a shorty kid. Getting crap before when I was 14, Glock was 40. Watch your joke for plotting on me, hop alone the grits. With problems, coppers hopping on me, G's from government. Rider on me, choppers on me, crack
ancestor. Roast the nigga catch up. Sipping on that chef rock till I messed up like yes sir. Now I'm paced up.
Texas, y'all ready?
Right, smoking me with dirty Sprite. For the night.
Now I gotta let them know it's really true.